today. You may be wondering, so how are we going to build this? Well, and does it include any redstone? The question is, no. You don't need any redstone. All you need is a body of water nearby and some blocks, 2 hoppers, 2 chests, and that's pretty much it. So first, we are going to dig out. I've noticed some tutorials that they're in creative mode, so that's why I'm doing it in survival. Alright, so we dig out space, and then we find a place. We do like a little turn right here. This is where the hoppers are going to be. So now, this is where the entrance is going to be. I gotta remember how I build this, alright? So bear with me. Take these, dig out 2. Just like that. Block this off. And now, all you gotta do is dig your hole to get to it. So you make your space. However big you want it. Enough to get the main things done. So stick around because there's more to do. That's just part of it. Alright. So first I gotta get out of here, so now pick this. And should go through. Unless I made it a little bit too small. I might have, but it still just block this off. And turn it into a dock. Hold on. Not quite done yet because we gotta make a little space first. One thing I forgot to get is a pickaxe. Let's do that real quick. Any pickaxe, doesn't matter what pickaxe it is. Just you gotta get a pickaxe. Dig a hole there. Set up this. Just like that. Boom, boom. Now, you can build out a little bit with the items here. As you can see, I kind of messed that up a little bit. So now, anything you get from fishing, you just get a right angle and toss it down. And it should just go in just like that. So now, it's all going to be shown up here. So now this is when you would get some, we're not done yet, because when you get enchanted items, you want to have a little dump hole. Plus a grindstone. Let's say you get a crappy enchanted bow or fishing rod. You just grind it off. and toss it down there. And that's pretty much it. You make it as big as you want, but it's really just simple. Nothing fancy. Do want to make a little thing here if you want to. It's not the prettiest, but it's a good little starter. Get the job done. It's not the fanciest, but it works. So, this helped you. Drop a like, and let me know in the comments what you thought. I better see you in the comments. Alright, you can also just flatten this area out to make it not look cluttered. But it works. Eventually I might turn it advanced into redstone, but if you don't have that stuff, you can just build this. It's very simple. So yeah, this helped you out. Be sure to smash that like button. Yes, I said smash the like button. I better see you in the comments. Let me know your thoughts. Yes, I said comment. How about subscribe? That work? Will you subscribe? Will you subscribe? You gonna help me out? Huh? What you gonna do? Which one? Or you gonna like the video? I'm just messing with you. Alright. I'll see you in the next video, but yeah, I hope this helped you. See ya.